What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Speed Innovations, and today what we're going to talk about is our adapter harnesses. Okay, so these adapter harnesses are pretty cool. We designed these and built these ourselves, built them in-house. These are 3D printed connectors. What these are designed to do is these are designed to plug right into the back of the Haltech IC-7 or uC-10, and your factory Toyota dash harness, the harness that would normally plug into your gauge cluster, would plug right into here. So there's no wiring at all. The reason why we do it this way, the reason why we created these connectors is so that you can have your fuel level sender, your high beam indicator, e-brake indicator. If it's a late 22R or 3VZ chassis, it gives you your speed sensor input. And it's a really neat deal, so everything just plugs right in and makes it real simple. We offer these for the late 22Rs, so that'll be the 89 to 95, and we offer these for the earlies. This would be the early, this would be the late, and the late would be for the 89 to 95, and the early is going to be from 85 to 88. They work pretty well. They plug right in and allows you to do some programming. Now these 4-pin connectors here are CAN bus communication. What the CAN bus communication is this communicates with the Haltech ECU. So it doesn't matter which ECU it is, it'll plug into any Haltech ECU and is CAN based. So what the CAN based means is that it'll communicate with the ECU and bidirectionally. What that means is it can read RPM, throttle positioning, air fuel ratio, engine temperature, manifold pressure boost, basically whatever the Haltech ECU sees or displays or controls is displayable through these here into the IC7 or uC-10. So when you want to wire in your stuff like your blinkers and stuff like that, that's where this comes in. It makes it so you don't have to do any type of wiring, no cutting, no chopping, no nothing. Everything just plugs right in. Super easy, super simple. And if you want to wire in an external speed sensor, we got you covered. That's what these are for. Only at snpspeed.com. We're hoping this makes everybody's installation so much easier. So if there's anything you'd like to see, any other products, any other videos or something like that, please drop something in the comments. And don't forget to do all that stalker stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us, all that cool stuff. We need all that content. This way we can help bring the videos that you guys need and let us know what you guys need to see. So we'll bring more content like this. So that's it. Gabe from SNP Speed Innovation, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.